And welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I am going to be making a lemon meringue pie. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees. Now I'm going to start making my pastry. You want flour and butter in your bowl. Then I'm going to get my hand in and form breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to add my icing sugar, 1 beaten egg and a tablespoon of water. And now I'm going to mix it together until it forms a dough ball. I am now going to knead my dough and roll it out until it becomes 3 millimeters thick. I am taking my dough that I have now rolled out and placing it into my tart tin. I'm going to cover this with cling film and then leave in the fridge for 30 minutes. Our pastry has been in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm now going to cut away the excess pastry. You need to make sure your pastry is standing higher than the actual tin. If you get low bits like this, take your leftover pastry and you can fill in the gaps. Now I'm going to take my greaseproof paper and push it over the pastry. To stop it rising, you can either fill it with baking beans, or if you haven't got any baking beans, you can fill it with rice. Now I'm going to bake in the oven for 15 minutes and then I'm going to remove my greaseproof paper and rice, then put my pastry back in to cook for a further 5 minutes. While our base is cooling, I am now going to make the filling. First thing you're going to do is mix together your lemon juice, lemon zest and cornflour until it forms a smooth paste. In my saucepan, I'm going to add 450 millilitres of water and bring it to the boil. Now turn off your heat once it has thickened and move off the hob. In a separate bowl, I am going to mix together my sugar and egg yolks. Without turning on the heat, add your sugar and egg yolks into your mixture. Now turn your heat on to a medium heat and mix until the mixture goes thick. I have left my filling to cool for a minute. Now I'm going to pour it into my tart case. Now I'm going to make my meringue. First, you're going to whisk your egg whites until they form a stiff peak. I now have small peaks showing, so I'm going to add in my caster sugar a little bit at a time. Now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of cornflour. Now I'm going to put my meringue on top. And bake in the oven for 15 minutes.
Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.